Welcome this video titled Elevate Your Outdoor Living. Create screen porch and cover patio idea. Introducing the allure of the great outdoor beckons main homeowner to accent their living space beyond the confine of four wall cover outdoor patio and screened porches have become increasing popular, often a perfect blend of comfort and connect with nature. We will explore a plethora of create idea to transforming your outdoor space into a hub of relaxation and entertainment. Screen pouches bringing the outdoor in. Screen pouches often the best of both worlds, the enjoy of outdoor living without the native opaque and unpredictable weather. Here are some ideas to enhance your screen pouches experience. Rustic elegance with export between. Introducing exports wood between in the call of a rustic year elegant touch. This design not only add chaptering but also provide century spotted choosy fireplace nook. Install a fireplace in one room to create a cozy look for chilled evening. The wall of the fire combined with the refresh outdoor air make of a perfect spot to unwind. Furniture select. Choose furniture that complement the natural sporting wicket of fixed furniture with place convenient add comfort while main interest to connect with the outdoor. Cover patio idea stylish shelter from the elements. Cover patio provide shade and permit of the elegant allow to you enjoy your outdoor space. Yard roll lulled spare some innovation cover patio idea. Polo outdoor kitchen and bed. Elevate your patio experience by add an outdoor kitchen and burn with the below in glass countertop and bedroom. You can entrust gas valve mean in the fresh air. Solved power light. Illuminate your patio cover with solved power light. This is your friend. Other not only enhance the ambience but also enhancing design your outdoor area with versatile in mid consider incorporating screen that can relax close the space weather